Hello, my name is Jacqueline Stanton. Thank you for joining me on my Cred portfolio articulation project. Today I'm going to go through my portfolio with you to just explain a little bit about what is included in each section. As you can see here in this very top section, you see my profile photo along with my name, the name of the school that I currently work at, and all of my personal information, such as my address, telephone number, and email address, as well as any social media platforms that I have an account with. Scrolling down to the next section, this is the active content modules. The first section is my education background, and if you click here on the pencil, you can edit this content that is included. So I'm going to click here, and as you can see, it pulls up all of the different projects or portfolios I have done within my educational background. So my multicultural awareness project explains how working with different cultures in the educational business, as well as how other people work with different cultures and different religions, and how that's handled in early childhood education. Informal career plan reflection talks about what my plans are for my future career as far as early childhood education, where I plan on going from here after I graduate. And then we continue down. There's early childhood program administration, curriculum planning, which is a big portion of early childhood education because that shows how to plan different curriculums and work with different curriculums and how to use them in the classroom. Continuing on to early childhood practice experience, early childhood experience, more of early childhood practice experience. These are all also different scenarios within early childhood education, dealing with different age groups and different activities performed for different age groups, as well as a curriculum planning for those different age groups. Coming down a little further, there's family and community connections, which works with teacher student relationships as well as students' relationships with their family and them being able to have the extra help outside of school. That way they can succeed with all of their classes and potentially earn good grades. This next section is health, safety, and nutrition for the young child, which teaches how to make sure a child has a balanced meal, make sure that they're safe in the classroom, an appropriate way to set up your classroom so that it is functional and there won't be any injuries, hopefully. The health portion, teaching children how to wash their hands properly and keep their hands out of their mouth and so forth. Creative language arts for children, going down to college mathematics, which speaks about how to prepare for your future and how to budget. Coming down to the next section is the portfolio project reflection, which is another portfolio that I have worked on for my early childhood education career. So continuing on, the next section that we have, I'm going to go back to the beginning. And as we scroll down, the next section is talking about different goals that I have planned out for myself. Some professional goals that I have are to be graduating this May and to ultimately become a kindergarten teacher after all of my schooling is completed. Children always seem to put a smile on my face, and I just really enjoy working with children. Currently, I work in preschool with ages 3 and 4, and it makes me really excited and it keeps me really happy to be able to see them come into school each day with smiles on their faces. This tells me that between the lead teacher in my classroom and I, that we're definitely doing something right. We are definitely making sure that these children are enjoying school and making sure that they want to come back each day because it's really important. The next section down is my bio, which tells a little bit about myself. It explains who I am, where I'm from, and a little bit about my family and some things that I like to do. Moving on to my resume. My resume is attached here. I'll click on this, and as well as as a cover letter that I could use for any potential jobs that I may interview for in the future. Continuing on are just some more modules and inactive or archived content modules that are not included actually in my portfolio as of yet. Um, some of them don't really pertain to my career. So thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Have a good day.